Hello students, today's chapter name is Fibers from Animals. In this chapter we will learn about fibers, what are the types of fibers, how they are obtained, what are the sources of fibers and how we make fibers. So first we know what are the fibers. In simple words, fibers means the long thread that can be converted into the yarns. Fibers converted into yarns and yarns weaves into the fabrics, then fabrics are used for making cloths. What is fabrics? Fabrics are the small pieces of cloth which are used for making cloths. Now fibers are classified into the two groups, first natural fibers, second synthetic fibers. What are the natural fibers? Natural fibers are those fibers which are obtained from the natural sources. These sources can be plant or animals. From plants we obtain two fibers like cotton and jute, and from animal source we obtain wool and silk. These are the two animal fiber and these are the two plants fiber. Now the second type of the fiber are synthetic fibers. Synthetic fiber are also known as man-made fiber. Man-made synthetic fibers are made by humans. Examples of the synthetic fibers are polyester, nylon and acrylic. Our next topic is fibers obtained from the animals. There are two main fibers obtained from the animals are wool and silk. Now we discuss only about wool. Wool is obtained from the fleece of the sheep body. What are the fleece? Fleece are the sheep hairs. We obtain fleece from the body of sheep. There are some different varieties of sheep in different types of the wool. These varieties are Angora goat, camel, Llama apica, Angora rabbit and Kashmiri goat. Our first variety is Angora goat. It is found in Asia. The fibers obtained from the Angora goat are extremely light in weight. And the second, camel. Camel are found in Asia and Africa. The fibers obtained from the camel are very expensive and coarse. Coarse means very thick and warm, light in weight. Next, Llama apica. Llama apica are found in South Africa and the wool obtained from the Llama apica are light in weight, soft and warm. Next, Angora rabbit. It yields very best quality of wool. Last one, Kashmiri goat. Kashmiri goat are mostly found in India and Tibet. The wool obtained from the Kashmiri goat are extremely soft, and one Pashmina wool is very popular which is obtained from the Kashmiri goat. Our next topic is processing of fiber into the wool. In this topic we will learn about how we make wool. There are following steps to make wool. First one is shearing. Shearing is a process in which we remove it is a removal of fleece from the body of sheep. It means we remove the hairs from the body of sheep. This is known as shearing. Next is scouring. Scouring means washing of fleece. The obtained hairs from the body of sheep are washed in this step. Next is sorting. What are the sorting? Sorting means the separation of obtained fleece. It means we separate the obtained fibers on the basis of texture and color. Textures means the obtained fleece can be long or short. So we categorize into the two groups, long and short. Color, the natural color of the hair obtained from the sheeps are black, white and brown. So we also categorize these hairs on the basis of color. These all processes are known as sorting. Our next step is cleaning of burrs. What are the burrs? Small fluffy fibers are called burrs. Burrs, the small fluffy fibers are again from the sorting we obtain some small fluffy fibers that are again washed and dried. This is known as cleaning of burrs. Next is dyeing. Dyeing means coloring of fleece or fibers. Means in this process we color the fleece of the sheep, and this is known as dyeing. After dyeing, our next step is rolling and combing of the fibers into the yarns. In this topic, we learn about the uses of wools. What are the uses of wools in our daily life? Wools are used for making clothes, as you all know. Second point is wools have ability to absorb and release the moisture from the woolen garments. Wools trap the heat energy from our body and keep our body warm. Hence, it is used for making socks, mufflers, sweaters, caps, etc. Now, some health hazards problems are caused in the workers of wool industry. These are some points. First, allergic problems and respiratory disorder. The workers who works in the wool industry are suffer from the problems of some allergic problems and respiratory disorder. They can also suffer from electrocution, and last point is they are infected by the bacterium called anthrax. Anthrax cause a disease, that is Sorter disease, and the symptoms of the Sorter disease are fever, fatigue and chest pain, cough, etc. Thank you.